Hello, I'm Sumedh Jadhav. Currently, I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering at Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College. Along with my engineering background, I have also completed my MA in Education and Technology from the prestigious Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. I belong to the technical teaching background, and I was searching for ways of teaching method that would increase or that would enhance my teaching methods and student engagement. That's when I saw on the TISS website about this MAET course. It was a unique combination of pedagogy and technological methods of learning. So I thought that this would bridge the gap between the traditional teaching methods and the new technologies, emerging technologies for education. And I decided to go for the MAET course. I belong to the technical teaching background, and I was searching for ways of teaching method that would increase or that would enhance my teaching methods and student engagement. That's when I saw on the TISS website about this MAET course. It was a unique combination of pedagogy and technological methods of learning. The three things that I learned from the MAET course was, the first one is concept. The concept taught me how my thinking ideology changed about education. Through concept, I learned how the lesson plans can be designed. Lesson plans that include all kinds of learners and their methods right from the start. The second thing I learned is skill. Through advanced technologies and methods integrated with the pedagogy, how skill can be imparted to students and how students can be made much more engaged, immersive and fruitful to the society. And the third biggest thing is mindset shift. Now I question my teaching practices. MAET has transformed me into a reflective practitioner. Now I just don't deliver content, but I think about why and how my students will be learning. To all my fellow educators, if you feel to evolve with your learners, MAET is the best opportunity. It respects your experience and challenges you to grow. Balancing the workload and studies is possible. The course has been thoughtfully designed. Its structure is very well balanced so that you can spare time for your studies as well as your professional work. Also, it has got a very supportive community.